Hi my viewers and listeners of Awelewe TV. Welcome to episode 4 of our data analysis course using Excel. In this chapter, we'll be discussing creating of pivot tables in Excel for data analysis. What are pivot tables? Pivot tables are powerful data analysis tools that allow you to summarize, organize, and analyze large datasets quickly and efficiently. They enable you to explore data from different perspectives, uncover hidden patterns and trends, and make informed decisions. Key features: dynamic summarization. Pivot tables automatically calculate summary statistics, sums, averages, counts, etc., based on the fields you select. Flexible organization. You can easily rearrange the layout of the table by dragging and dropping fields, allowing for quick exploration of different views of your data. Filtering and sorting. Focus on specific data subsets and organize information meaningfully to reveal insights. Grouping and subtotals. Collapse or expand data for better analysis and calculate summary statistics for different groups within your dataset. Visualizations. Create charts and graphs directly from pivot tables to visualize trends and relationships visually. Benefits: save time and effort. Automate complex calculations and data manipulation tasks that would otherwise require manual formulas. Gain insights. Uncover patterns, trends, and relationships that might not be immediately apparent in raw data. Make comparisons. Easily compare different data groups or categories to identify similarities and differences. Create interactive reports. Build dynamic dashboards and reports that can be updated with new data or filtered on the fly. Common use cases: sales analysis, by product, region, customer, etc. Financial reporting, profit and loss, cash flow, budgeting. Marketing campaign performance tracking. Inventory management. HR data analysis, employee performance, turnover, compensation. Customer satisfaction surveys. Web analytics. Scientific research data. And many more. Here's a guide on how to create pivot tables in Excel. 1. Prepare your data. Ensure your data is structured. It should be in a table format with clear headers for each column. Handle missing values or errors. Correct or remove them to avoid issues in the pivot table. 2. Insert a pivot table. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. Click the Pivot Table button. Select the data range you want to analyze. Choose where you want to place the pivot table, new or existing sheet. 3. Choose fields. The pivot table fields pane will appear. Drag and drop fields into the following areas. O rows. Create row labels for your table. O columns. Create column labels. O values. Summarize data using functions like sum, count, average, etc. O filters. Apply filters to focus on specific data subsets. 4. Customize and analyze. Format numbers. Apply currency, percentage, or other formatting to values. Change layout and design. Adjust the pivot table's appearance for readability. Filter and sort. Focus on specific data and organize it meaningfully. Group data. Collapse or expand rows or columns for better analysis. Calculate subtotals and totals. Get summary statistics for different groups. Create charts and visualizations. Represent data visually for clearer insights. Thank you for listening this fourth episode of Creating of Pivot Tables in Excel for Data Analysis. Don't miss the next episodes for more lessons about data analysis in Excel. My name is Maximilian Crescent Temba. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, click like and share the link. Have a good day.